further moving upon, what are the consequences? The consequences which are met to a perpetrator of ragging, it depends upon, as a rule goes, justice and equity have to be done based upon the nature and the gravity of the offence which has been committed. So, the same law applies even here with regard to the students who are the perpetrators of the ragging. And the possible punishments which can be given, or which are where a institution finds its student guilty of the offence of ragging at the institution level, these are the punishments which can be given. To name so, it could be the cancellation of the admission of the student. The students, at once it is proved beyond doubt that the student was the perpetrator of ragging, then cancellation of admission of the student can be taken by the concerned institution. Further moving upon, it may go ahead with suspending of the student from attending the classes, maybe for a few days or a couple of weeks as such, or for the entire sem as such. The other punishments which can be taken up at the institutional level are withholding or withdrawing scholarship if any economic benefits are given to the student, and if such student has perpetrated the act of ragging. In such cases, the withholding or withdrawing scholarships or the fellowships of such candidate can be deprived of the benefits. Further moving upon, the other steps which the institution can take upon, not allowing the student who has perpetrated the ragging to go for any test or to permit him for any examination or any evaluation process. If the student is appearing for any of the evaluation process or seeking for any employment at campus level, so all these will be deprived of against that particular perpetrator. And further upon, withholding the results. Now, the institution is also having an opportunity not to give the results of that particular student whoever has perpetrated the act of ragging. Further upon, the discretion is given to the institution at various levels, maybe the regional level, national level or international level, in a meet wherein they organize any tournament or youth festival, or where the student is very has leadership qualities in organizing any of the events, and such student, if they have perpetrated the act of ragging, then in such case that student is deprived of organizing any of these particular events, maybe at the regional level, at the national level or even at the international level. They have to forego all their opportunities and chances. Further upon, at the institutional level, the institution also, if the student happens to be a perpetrator in the hostel, then the institution can simply suspend that particular child or the student whoever has perpetrated ragging, or totally expel that particular person, not to permit that person into the premises of the hostel. Apart from these, rustication from the institution for a period ranging from 1 to 4 semesters is also advised. Not a total embargo or a bar, but at least punishment is given to them to make them, to mold them or to reform them. Rusticating, not allowing them to sit in the examinations or to go in for the semesters, maybe 1 semester or the higher level up to 4 semesters, the perpetrator is prevented from. Apart from these, the institution also can take further steps of not allowing such perpetrator of ragging by making a remark in the bona fide certificate to see to it that such student will never get any admission into any of the educational institutions as such. These hard stringent steps are taken by the institution based upon the gravity. Just because these measures or recommendations have been made here, without application of mind, they are not supposed to. When a stringent action has been taken against a student, the institution have to keep in mind that they have to render the justice and not to see that the punishment is given at the higher level. It is at the maximum for the reformation of the perpetrator at large.